Hi beautiful people, Grace is here. Look at this. Today I have heaps of cabbages. I just went from a big grocery shop because today I'm gonna make a beautiful Korean authentic kimchi. Have you heard about kimchi or do you like kimchi? Did you know kimchi has wonderful anti-aging properties? That's why I'm making this video for you today. You know, I love kimchi. Just kimchi is a wonderful thing. It's really good for your skin and overall health as well. And you know, we can't live without kimchi. Kimchi is my soul food. I think it's because I'm originally from South Korea. And today I told my friends that I'm gonna make a kimchi, then they are all excited, so I have to make a kimchi and give to them. You know, the recipe I'll show you in this video is my old business recipe because I used to sell kimchi at the local stores. So please enjoy and let's go. Did you know there are over 100 known varieties of kimchi, and they are so yummy, crunchy and healthy, and make you more beautiful and look younger. And if you travel to Korea, please visit Kimchi Museum in Seoul. It is amazing. Let's talk about the ingredients. Today we are going to make 4 kilos of kimchi because we love it. Let's make a stock first. Why we make a stock? Because it makes big difference. Kimchi is done. Have a look at this. Hello, my kimchi babies. I have left it outside for 3 days and let's open it. It looks so yummy and tastes so amazing. And is full of a flavor. You must try this. please make it. You will love it, and it's very, very good for you. I'm gonna make a kimchi fried rice, kimchi ramen. And have you tried kimchi pancake? Oh. And kimchi soup. Oh, I'm getting so hungry. Okay, I'm gonna have an early dinner tonight. Thank you for watching. Be more beautiful. Thank you. Bye.